Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I will give you one more option for the daily watch, and this is a Casio watch, and it's from Edifice, and the code is octagonal-shaped, and you can find this watch around 250 bucks in the market. And we will find out what is interesting for this watch. And okay, let's go. You can see it's a really normal box from Edifice. And this is our watch. And this is our watch. And before we go into this watch, I will show you about the catalog in the box. And in this box, we will have a guys module number 5634. This is the movement of this watch. And you can find a lot of language for your country. And this is a warranty card. You can write down the name and the day of purchase after you buy it. And the Casio will give you the guide to get the battery for the watch in many languages. And the final item is a standee about this watch, sapphire crystal, Casio solar technology Edifice. And with this standee, you can show it in your table in or anywhere else you like. And this is our watch, and I will show you the description on the scene. As you can see, I have here a watch is got a blue sapphire color and made from stainless steel. And as you can see, we will have an octagon face, and this will remind you about the Patek Philippe Royal Oak. We got a beautiful watch. And I will take out the shield so we can see it closely. And you can cut out this piece for fitting your width in both sides. And the face of this watch, we will have a chronograph. For using it, you will use the button to start the stopwatch. And pause. For the resetting, you will use the button below. And in the 6 o'clock corner, we will have a battery level. And now we got the medium. And on the 9 o'clock side, you will have a second. And the solar energy. And I will zoom in so you can see it more clearly. The Japan movement in the down. And in the tag, you will have chronograph and sapphire crystal. And you can see the sapphire is flat. And the movement here 5, 6, 3, 4. Now I can wear this watch in my hands. We will a lot of piece for many options of the wrist. And you can see with this face, it's really cool in my hand. And now I will get it closely and using the crown to editing the hour. We will 2 levels of this crown. One for the dating. You can scroll down, but nothing will happen. You have to scroll up to editing the day. And in the level 2, you can editing the hour. And when you see it closing, we will have a octagon plate and the deep blue color. It's really cool in the price $250. And with that price, I think this will suitable for anyone for the daily watch. For the ending of this video, I will give you my opinion of this watch. With the price around $250, you will have an eye-catching design, solar power movement, chronograph feature, and reasonable water resistance. Make it a versatile combination of various occasions. While some users might find the weight of the stainless steel construction slightly heavy, but the overall comfort and performance of the watch make it a worthy addition to the Casio Edifice lineup. And that's all for my video. You can hit the subscribe button and the like button for supporting me. And thank you for watching. See you around.